Hey guys, today I'm really excited to share a new product that can be used with Scandy Pro to help you create your best 3D scans on the go. It's called the Lookout. Having a 3D scanner right with you in your pocket is really incredible, but the location of the true depth camera on the front facing side of the iPhone can force you to get into some awkward scanning positions. Scandy does have a mirroring function that helps if you are near a friend who has an iPhone, but it does require a second phone. That's why we have developed the Lookout, Scandy's official 3D scanning mirror accessory. The Lookout is made of carbon fiber and nylon and is hand assembled in New Orleans. It's also super easy to use. After opening Scandy Pro, attach the Lookout so the Scandy logo is facing you. Then point the mirror at what you want to scan. Take the scan as you normally would with Scandy Pro, and there you have it. I went for a walk with Kristen yesterday to test out the Lookout, and we had a lot of fun with this product that makes taking 3D scans with Scandy Pro even easier and more convenient. The Lookout is available for purchase now, and first orders will be shipped on February 1st. Don't miss out on this chance to take your 3D scanning to the next level. I'll be posting a link where you can purchase the Lookout beneath this video. I really can't wait to hear about what you guys think of the Lookout and see what you guys create with it. Happy scanning!